This video is to install confidence to any buyer to make a fully informed decision and a top bid with confidence. Today is April 26th, Saturday, 2025. Car has been parked overnight. This is a cold start. Here we take a look at the gauges on the right side. This is the temperature gauge all the way on the bottom. Start. Next, I'm going to show you guys the air ride, showing that it works both going down and up. Now that we're pretty much down all the way, now I'm going to bring up the back first, followed by the front. also a blemish on the front fender here. If you take a look at the close-up pictures, you'll see it. I have the mirror. I don't have it attached. Here's the worst part of the paint job. There's drip by the door handle. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Okay, bye.